2021 was a record-breaking year for Dealership Buy Sells, with 600 dealerships sold, and 2022 is on track to break that record. So if you're considering selling your dealership, now is the time to start getting prepared. The title of my workshop is How to Maximize Blue Sky When Selling Your Dealership. Over the last 43 years, my company, National Business Brokers, has sold over 850 new car dealerships. In this workshop, I will teach you how to best position your dealership for sale and maximize its blue sky value. The road to a sale is not a straight line, and there are twists and turns along the way. Attendees will learn 10 practical steps to properly ready their dealership for sale. Preparedness is everything, as dealers should start this process well before they plan to sell. When a dealer has to sell quickly, there's a good chance they won't get full value for their store. Taking a few key steps in advance to prepare for a sale can increase the store's value by as much as 20%. If you're considering selling in the next few years, this workshop will teach you the best way to prepare for the sale and maximize your dealership's value. Thank you for your consideration.